Okay, so this video is going to work for number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. So I'm going to go back to 7 and we'll solve 2 of these so that you can see what we are going to do. So it says, which of the following inequalities have a solution of n is less than or equal to 3? So we need to solve all 4 of these. Yes, all 4. This is why I'm giving you 2 days. And then we need to check mark the ones that are going to have a solution of n is less than or equal to 3. Okay, so let's solve A. A says that n plus 10 is less than or equal to 13. So it's adding and subtracting, so our goal is to make a 0 pair. So this already has a plus, which means I need it to be a minus to make it a 0 pair so that they cancel out. And so I will subtract 10 from both sides. Left with n. Sign does not flip on adding or subtracting ever. And now we have 13 minus 10. If we write it out in a line, we can clearly see that we absolutely can take 10 away from 13. So we don't need to do our subtraction rules. So our answer would be that n is less than or equal to 3. Does this match this? Yes, it does. So this would be a correct answer. Okay, so let's look at B. B says 3n is greater than or equal to 33. Draw our tracks. This is multiplication, so we'll use our questions. Who's hanging out with n? 3. What operation are they doing? Is multiply. And the inverse of multiply is to divide. So we're going to divide by the friend. We did not say negative with the friend, so the sign does not flip. 3 divided by 3 cancels out so that we're left with n. And then 3 goes into 33 11 times. So n is greater than or equal to 11. Does that match n is less than or equal to 3? No, so we would not check mark that one. So next you would solve C and D and decide if they get check marks or X's. We just went over 2 of them, so we know that A would get a check mark. I'm sorry, I'm on the teacher side, but you would check the box, and then you would move on to B, C, and D. You will have more than one correct answer, so check all answers that are correct. So we would not stop just because this one was correct. There is one more of these is correct, so you're going to have to solve all 4 for all of the problems.